Hello everyone, today I am discuss the topic of hazardous waste for environmental science. My name is Renu Manoj Pandey. I am learning BSc final year CEZ and my topic name is hazardous waste. Hazardous waste, a waste due to its chemical activity or flammable, explosive, toxic or corrosive properties is likely to result in danger to human health or the environment. Hazardous waste is used as a broad term to donate industrial byproduct and waste material discarded from home, commercial establishment and institution that pose an unreasonable risk to human health and environment. Hazardous waste can be solid, liquid or gaseous and semi-liquid like mining sludge and drilling mud. They include familiar items like used motor oil and mercury, agriculture pesticides and industrial materials such as PCBs. Next one is the source of hazardous waste. The term hazardous waste often include byproducts of industrial, domestic, commercial and healthcare activities. Most hazardous waste are produced in the manufacturing of products for consumption or further industrial application. All sources that discharge liquid, gaseous or solid waste that fit the above definition can be regarded as source of hazardous waste. Major hazardous waste source and their pollution routes in the environment and listed below. First is the agricultural land and agro industry. Hazardous waste from agricultural land and agro industry can expose people to pesticides, fertilizers and hazardous veterinary product waste. Farms are a major source of this water waste and agrochemical can leach into the environment while in storage or can cause damage after their application. Second is the domestic. Household rocks various hazardous substances such as batteries and dry cells, furniture polishes, wood preservatives, stain removers, plant thinners, rat poisons, herbicides and pesticides. Third is the mines and mineral processing sites. Mining and mineral processing sites handle hazardous products that are present in the additives, the products and the waste. Fourth is the healthcare faculties. Healthcare faculties are source of pathological waste, human blood and contaminated needles. 5 is the commercial waste. Commercial waste source include gasoline stations, dry cleaners and automobile repair shop, that is workshop. The type of hazardous waste generated by the source depend on the service provided. 6. Institutional hazardous waste source. Institutional hazardous waste source are mainly research laboratories, research center and military installations. Hazardous waste characteristics. According to US EPA, that is Environmental Protection Agency, water waste may be listed as a hazardous waste if they exhibit one of these 4 characteristics. First is the corrosivity. Solid waste that are acids or bases or produce acidic or alkaline solutions are termed as corrosive waste. Classification of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste are classified as radioactive substance. Substances that emit ionizing radiation are radioactive. Such substances are hazardous because prolonged exposure or radiation often results in damage to living organisms. Second is the chemicals. Most hazardous chemical waste can be classified into 4 groups. Synthetic, organic, inorganic material, salt, acids and bases, and flammables and explosive. Some of the chemical are hazardous because they are highly toxic to most life form. Biomedical waste. The principal source of hazardous biological waste are hospitals and biological research faculties. Fourth is flammable waste. Most flammable waste are also defined as hazardous chemical waste. This dual grouping is necessary because to the high potential hazard in storing, collecting and disposing of flammable waste. This waste may be liquid, gaseous or solid, but most often they are liquid. Typical example including organic solvent, oil, pesticides and organic sludge. Thank you.